welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again for my Walgreens haul, and I'll also share some deals in this video. The first deal I'll pick up will be the Walgreen panty liners. They're on sale for buy one get one 25% off and buy two get $5 register reward. And we also have a 30% off digital coupon that will apply to this. My store only have one of the 20 counts left, so I'll be picking up just one. But if your store have more than one, you can pick up two for the deal. And you can do this deal multiple times, but you have to do it in different transactions and get your $5 register reward. The second item I'll pick up will be the 40 count, priced at $3.99. The total for these two liners will be $3.57, and I'll get $5 register reward back. That will end up making these two products free and $1.43 moneymaker. This transaction went very well and it worked. I ended up redeeming just $1 Walgreen cash, paid $2.43 out of pocket, and I got back the $5 register reward. I have a digital booster coupon in this account that says earn $10 Walgreen cash with your next purchase, and with this I earned the extra $10. The next deal I'm picking up will be on Gillette and Venus razors. They're on the deal of buy two get $8 register reward. I'll pick up one of the Gillette. They're on sale for $11.99, and I also pick up one of the Venus razor on sale for $9.99. These two products will total $21.98, and for the Venus we have a $3 digital coupon, and for the Gillette we have another $3 digital coupon. After these two coupons apply, it will drop it down to $15.98, and I'll get $8 register reward back. That will end up making it just $7.98 or $3.99 each. Let's go over my receipts. My two coupons applied, the $3 for the Gillette and the $3 for the Venus. I paid $15.98 plus tax out of pocket, and I got back $8 register reward for buying these two products. And I also know that when I scan these products in the app, it shows that it's part of the spend 20 get $5 Walgreen cash, but I did not receive that. This last part of the video, I filmed it, but something came up and I had to leave, so I did not finish the transaction, but I decided to share in case somebody needs it. For the Charmin, they're on the deal of buy four, get $5 register reward back, and they're on sale for $5.49 each. And this is also part of the spend 20 get $5 Walgreen cash. Pick up 4 at $5.49 each. 4 will total $21.96. We have a $1 digital coupon that will drop it down to $20.96, and you get back $5 register reward. And you will also get $5 Walgreen cash for spending 20, which will end up making them just $10.96 or $2.74 each. The next deal I have is buy two get $5 register reward back, and this Downy dryer sheets is part of the deal. It's on sale for $10.99. Pick up one, and the second item you need to pick up will be the Gain detergent on sale for $9.99. These two will total $20.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Downy and another $3 for the Gain. After the two coupons apply, it will drop it down to $14.98, and you get $5 register reward back. That will end up making both of them just $9.98 or $4.99 each. The next deal is on Dove body wash, and they're on sale for $7 each, and when you buy two, you get $4 register reward back. Pick up two of the Dove Men Plus Care body wash. Two of them will total $14. If you still have your 5 off 2 digital coupon, it will drop it down to $9, and you get $4 register reward back, making both just $5 or $2.50 each. The next deal will be on the Olay body wash. They're on sale for $7, and when you buy 3, you get $5 register reward back. Pick up 3, and 3 of them are going to total $21. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $16, and you get $5 register reward back, making all 3 just $11 or $3.67 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.